Find the highest power of 24 in 150 factorial. Step number 1. 24, it is a composite number. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime basis. 24 is a composite number. It is derived from a prime numbers 2 and 3. So first we will decompose into 150 factorial as a power of 2. 275s are 150. 237s are. 218s are. To why are we decomposing? I discussed in detail in the previous class. 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. There are 75 multiples of 2 when you are writing 150 factorial. 150 factorial is defined as product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 150. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 75s are 150. So these are all the 75 multiples of 2, 37 multiples of 4, 18 multiples of 8, 9 multiples of 16, 4 multiples of 32, 2 multiples of 64, and 1 multiple of 28. That is the definition of these 75, 37, 18, 9, 4, 2, 1. So 150 factorial as a power of 2. How many they are there? Let us add all the values. If I add all the values, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 16, 34, 71, 146. So it can be written as 2 power 146 into 3 it will be. 350s are 150, 316s are 48, 3 5s are, and 3 1s are. 50, 16, 66, 71, 72. So it is 3 power 72 into k. We require 24. 24 can be written as 2 cube into 3. Can I take 24, 72? If I take 72, 72 3s are 216 I am getting. So I will take 146 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, 26 into 48 into 2 square into 3 power 24 into k. I hope it is clear to you why I wrote it as power 48. 48 3s are 144, remaining 2 square, 3 power 48. 2 cube into 3 is 24, 24 power 48 into 2 square into 3 power 24 into some other prime basis. Highest power of 24 in 150 factorial, it is given as 48. I told you in session 1, I'll repeat it again. If the prime bases power are 1, 1, 1, take the largest prime base and divide it, you will get the answer. If the prime bases power are greater than 1, so it is not the highest power. Here you have to split it in such a way that 24 will have a combination of 2 cube and 3. I cannot take 72 because 72 3s are 216. It 146. 146 is not 216. Very, very good question it is, sir. Find the highest power of 24 in 150 factorial. The mistake students may do in hurry will be, they may divide 150 by 24. These mistake. Why? Because any factorial can be written as a power of prime basis. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime basis. 24, it is a composite number. What is the highest power of 4? In 83 factorial plus 82 factorial. N is, let us call this number as N 83 factorial plus 82 factorial. In this term, what is the highest power of 4? N factorial is defined as N into N minus 1 factorial. I am going to use this concept because 83 factorial can be written as 83 into 83 minus 1, 82 factorial. So this will be, N factorial will be N into N minus 1 factorial plus 82 factorial. If I take 82 factorial common, 83 plus 1. 83 plus 1 will be 84 into 82 factorial. 83 factorial plus 82 factorial is, the value is equated with 84 into 82 factorial. Now, I want the highest power of 4. 4 is a composite number. Write down it as a power of prime is 84. 84 is 2 square into 3 into 7. 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. 82. How many are there? 2 41s are, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 8, 61, 71, 76, 78, 79. Am I right? 8, 18, 38, 20, 38, 79. So these are nothing but 2 power 79 into k. So it will be 2 power 81 into 3 into 7 into k. So this will be 2 square power 40 into 2 power 1 into 3 into 7 into k. Highest power of 4 in this value, it will be 40. Highest power, it will be 40. I hope the idea it is clear. 84 into 82 factorial. Highest power of 2 in 82 factorial will be 61, 71, 76, 78, 79. 79 outside 2 is there, 81. 2 power 81 can be written as 2 square power 40 into 2 power 1. 4 power 40. Highest power of 4 will be 40. Very, very good question. In session number 1, we did a similar question. Let us see this question. Highest power of 49 in 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. Step number 1. 49, it is a composite number. It can be written as 7 square. The number given in the question is 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. This is the question. 50 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. 50 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial. 49 factorial minus 49 factorial. If I take 49 factorial common, 50 minus 1, 49. So the entire question is condensed to 49 factorial into 49. Entire question is condensed to 49 factorial into 49. 49 is 7 square. So in 49 factorial, how many powers of 7 are there? 7 7s are, 7 1s are. So here it is 7 power 8 into k. K is the power of prime bases other than 7. Into 49, it is 7 square. So it is 7 power 10 into k. But I require 49, which can be written as 7 square power 5 into k. 49 power 5. What will be the highest power of 49 in this expression? Answer will be 5. In both the questions, right now question and the previous question, the logic we used is n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. This entire expression is condensed to this value. 49, there is 1 power of 49. 49 factorial, there are 8 powers of 7, which is 4 powers of 49. 4 powers and here 1 power. Answer will be 7. This question and previous question, one important model. Now, see here. Next question. See here, sir. What will be the highest power of 5? I require the highest power of 5, which can divide this number. That means this question can also be asked like this. There is an expression 2 into, 4 into, 6 into, 8 into, and so on up to 150. These when divided by which highest power of 5, remainder will be 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on up to 150. Divided by which power of 5, remainder will be 0. First think, n. These where probably students might do a mistake. 2 can be written as 2 1s are 2. 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4. 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6. 8 can be written as 2 4s are 8. 150 can be written as 2 75s are 150. 275s are 150. Do not write it down as 2 common, 1 into 2 into 2 into 75 factorial. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 75 times. If 2 is multiplied 75 times, it is 2 power 75. Remaining it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on up to 75, which is 75 factorial. That entire expression can be written as 2 power 75 into 75 factorial. So we will replace the numerator with the value 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and so on up to 150 can be written as 2 power 75 into 75 factorial divided by which power of 5? Remainder will be 0. Which power of 5? Remainder will be 0. I will also write the mistake students might do in hurry. They might write 2 into 75 factorial. This is the mistake. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 75 times. If 2 is multiplied 75 times, it will become 2 power 75. Don't do addition. This is the mistake students might do. 75 factorial. What is the highest power of 5? 5 15s are and 5 3s are. 5 15s are 75 and 5 3s are 18. So highest power of 5 in 75 factorial will be 5 power 18 into k divided by 5 power x. It is 0. What is k? K is the prime powers other than 5. Prime powers other than 5. Prime powers other than pi. 5 power 18 divided by 5 power x should be 0. So what should be the value of x? Highest power of 5. X can take 5. 5 power 18 is divisible by 5. X can take 2. X can take 3. X can take 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 18. Because 5 power 18 is perfectly divisible by 5 power 18. Answer for this question is x value, it is 18. X value, it is 18. This is a question based on another question. 8 into 16 into 24 into 32. That also should be there in the PPT. Entire idea is to convert this multiplication into a factorial. Now, this is another beautiful question, sir. Whenever the question is not in factorial, try to condense it into a factorial. Next one, highest power of 72. 72 as a power of prime basis. It is 8 into 9. 8 is 2 power 3. 9 is 3 square. 72 can be written as 2 power 3 into 3 square. So I need to generate the highest powers for 2 and 3. 2 75s are, 2 37s are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7, 16, 34, 71, 146. 150 factorial can be written as 2 power 146 into 3. Let us do the highest power of 3 in 150 factorial. 3 50s are, 3 16s are, 3 5s are, and 3 1s are. 66, 71, 72. 3 power 72 into k. This is for 150 factorial. Why we are doing only for 2 and 3? 72 as a power of prime basis, it is 2 power 3 into 3 square. I need to take out 2 cube into 3 square out. If I take 2 cube into 3 square out, 2 goes how many times in 72? 36 times. 36 3s are 108. I can easily fulfill. Suppose if I take 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 2 48s are, it will become 96. So answer is into 36 into 2 power 38 into k. Into 2 power 38 into k. 2 cube into 3 square, 72 power 36. Highest power of 72 in 150 factorial. Answer will be 36. Answer will be 36. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Highest power of 30 in 200 factorial. It's an easy question. 30 is a combination of single powers of 2, 3 and 5. If it is single powers of 2, 3 and 5, powers of 5 will be less compared to the powers of 2 and 3. So the answer will be 200 if I divide. 5 40s are, 5 8s are, 5 1s are. So answer is 49. You do not need to find out the powers of 2 and 3. Powers of 5 will be 5 40s are, 5 8s are, 5 1s are. It is 49. This is the question which I was referring to it. We did the same model. Highest power of 2 in n. N is written as the product of 100 multiples of 8. 8 1s are 8. 16 it is. 8 2s are. 24 it is. 8 3s are. 100 it is. 800s are. It is 100. 8 is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. It is multiplied 100 times. 8 power 100 into 100 factorial. I need the highest power of 2. So 2, 8 is 2 cube. 2 power 300. 100 factorial. Power of 2 will be 2 50s are, 2 25s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 2 1s are. I hope the idea it is clear. 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10, 20, 2, 47, 97. So highest power of 2 in 100 factorial will be 2 power 97. 2 power 300 into 2 power 97. Answer will be 2 power 397 into k. So highest power of 2 in the product of 100 multiples of 8 will be 397. Again, I am telling you, in hurry during the exam pressure, you might do this mistake. Don't write it as 8 into 100 factorial. It is 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3, 8 into 4 and 8 into 100. 8, 8, 8 is multiplied 100 times. So 8 power 100 into 100 factorial. 8 power 100 into 100 factorial. I hope the idea it is clear. Next, this question and the next question, both are, this question I replaced it as this question. N equivalent to 10 factorial plus 12 factorial plus 14 factorial. Put it as star marks, sir. Very, very good question it is. This, from here onwards, all the questions are very, very good questions. N is 10 factorial plus 12 factorial plus 14 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial. So N, let me write 10 factorial plus 12 factorial plus 14 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial. 10 factorial plus 12 factorial plus 14 and so on up to 100 factorial. 10 factorial. 12 factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. I am taking 10 factorial extraction from each and every term. 14 factorial it is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial and so on and so on. If I take 10 factorial common, if I take 10 factorial common, 1 plus 12 into 11, next will be 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 and so on and so on. I hope it is clear. Now if you observe carefully, almost we are one step away from the answer. 12 is an even number. Even into any number, it is an even number. Even into any number, it is an even number. Even into any number, it is an even number. Even, it is even number. Plus 1, 1 plus even, it is odd. So 10 factorial into odd. Can an odd number, can it have powers of 2? Can odd number, can it have powers of 2? No. So highest power of 2 in 10 factorial we require. 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 5 plus 2 plus 1. It is 2 power 8 into k into odd. What is the highest power of 2? In this expression, Answer is 8. Highest power of 2 in this expression, it is 8. 12 factorial. 12 factorial has been decomposed as 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 14 factorial is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. 10 factorial, if I take common, 1 plus 12 into 11 plus 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. Can I say in every term I am getting 12. 12 is even. Even into any number, even. Even into any number, even. Even, I will get even. Even. Any sum of even numbers, it is even. Even plus 1, it is odd. 10 factorial into odd. Can odd number, can it have powers of 2? No. 10 factorial, what is the highest power of 2? 8 into some other prime basis. Each and every question, whatever I am going to discuss from this is of very, very important. Pay extra attention, sir. Answer is 8. Next, another good question, sir. N is, now here it is 10 factorial plus 12 factorial plus 14 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial. Here it is 10 factorial plus 11 factorial. Let me check if everything is proper. Right. N equivalent to 10 factorial plus 11 factorial. Very, very good question, sir, it is. Very, very good question. A good quality CAT level question. N equivalent to 10 factorial plus 11 factorial plus 12 factorial and so on up to 1000 factorial. 10 factorial plus 11 factorial plus 12 factorial and so on up to 1000 factorial. Now see here, this is 10 factorial as it is. 11 factorial is 11 into 10 factorial. 12 factorial it is 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 13 factorial it is 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 14 it is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial, and the process goes on. A small change, we will get the answer. 10 factorial here, everywhere 10 factorial it is there. So if I take 10 factorial common, this will be 1 plus 11 plus remaining in the third term is 12 into 11. Fourth term it is 13 into 12 into 11. Next it is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 11 and so on. Now if you see here 12 it is there, here 12 it is there, here 12 it is there. 1 plus 11 it is also 12. So let me take 12 common. Suppose if I take 12 common, it is 1 plus 11. Here it is 13 into 11. Here it will be 14 into 13 into 11 and so on. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea till it is clear. First I took 10 factorial common in everything. Then I observed. Here 12 it is there, here 12 it is there, here 12 it is there. So 1 plus 11 is 12. Again 12 I took common. Now 14 into 13 into 11. All the other numbers will be even. All the other numbers will be even. 1 plus 11, it is 12. It is even. 13 into 11, it is odd. Even plus even plus even. Even. Any number, it is an even number. Even number plus odd number, it is odd. So the answer is 10 factorial into 12 into odd. 10 factorial, already we did it. Highest power of 2 is 8. 12 it is 2 square into 3 into odd. So this will be 8 plus 2. Answer is 10. I hope it is clear. In the previous question, 10 factorial it is taken common. But in this question, 10 factorial and 12 it is taken common. 1 plus 9 is 12. Here 12 it is there. Here 12 it is there. Here 12 it is there. And bracket it is. From here onwards, every term has got 14. 14 is an even number. Even number into any number. It is an even number. Even. From here till here, it is entire even. 1 plus 11 is 12. 12 is even. 13 into 11 is odd. Even plus odd, it is odd. So 10 factorial into 12 into odd. 10 factorial into 12 into odd. 10 factorial is 2 power 8, 12 is 2 square into 3. K is the power of any prime numbers other than 2. So 8 plus 2, 10. Very, very good question, sir. Very, very good question. Some students, I don't know whether it is innocence or an ignorance or a stupidity. They will find the highest power of 2 in 10 factorial. They will tick mark the answer as 8. If I ask why, they said, sir, the lowest is 10 factorial. That's the nonsense way of doing it. So it is addition, we have to add it, and we have to check what is beyond 10 factorial, what is the nature that for the numbers which are getting multiplied. Another one, n equivalent to 91, 92, 93 till 100, highest power of 12 in n. Question is n equivalent to 91 into 92 into 93 and so on up to 100. I told you in session number 1, if the question is not in factorial format, try to make it into a factorial format. 91 to 100, product it is there. So if I do numerator and denominator product till 90, 1, 2, 3 till 90 in the numerator, and 91, 92, 93 till 100, denominator also 1, 2, 3 till 90. 1, 2, 3 till 90. I multiplied the numerator and denominator by 1 to 90, numerator and denominator. 1, 2, 3 till 100. This will be 100 factorial. 1, 2, 3 till 90. It will be 90 factorial. I hope it is clear. I converted the entire expression into a factorial format. Highest power of 12 in n. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. So 100 already we know, 100 it is 2 power 97. For 100, 3 will be 3 33s are, 3 11s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 33, 44, 47, 48. 3 power 48 into some other prime bases. K1. 90 factorial, it will be 2 45s are, 2 22s are, 2 11s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 8, 19, 41, 86. So this will be 2 power 86 into 3, it will be 3 30s are, 3 10s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 40, 44. 3 power 44 into some other prime bases. This will be 2 power 11 into 3 power 4 into K1 by K2, it is K3. I require 12. 12 is 2 square into 3 power 4 into 2 power 3 into K3. 12 power 4. Answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. Only thing is, if the question is not in factorial format, convert it into a factorial format. 91, 92 till 100 is all the natural numbers product from 91 to 100 it is written. So I multiplied from 1 to 90 in numerator and denominator. 100 factorial by 90 factorial. 100 factorial, I require 12. 12 can be written as a power of 2 and 3. 2 power 97, 3 power 48. 90 factorial is 2 power 86 and 3 power 48. Then I used the concept of a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. A power m minus n. 97 minus 86, it is 11. 48 minus 44, 4. So it is 2 square into 3 power 4 into 2 cube. Idea clear? Next one, another question. I am sure you can solve this question because we have done the same questions model just now. One model, 137 into 138, 139. These multiply all the natural numbers till 136 in the numerator, 137 and so on up to 283 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 till 136. You will not fear. Unnecessarily, please don't find out 7 multiples, 3 multiples. It will be a cumbersome process. So this 136 factorial. 21 it is 3 into 7. Powers are of prime numbers are single. So always I will go with the highest one. 283. 283 will be 7 40s are 280. 7 5s are 35. So it is 7 power 45 into 136 it will be. 7 1s are 7. 66. 7 9s are 63. 7 2s are 14. So it is 7 power 21. Now if I take, just think logically, 45 minus 21, it is 24. 3 if I take, 3 90s are 270, 90, again 30, again 10, again 3 1, 90, 30, 10, 3 1, 120, 130, 134. Again it will be 45, 15, 4 1. The power of 3s are greater. So here, even if you take 3 power x1, 3 power x2 into k1 by k2. 45 minus 21, 24. So highest power of 21 will be 24. Why? Because here you will get 7 power 24, 3 power 24 into some extra value you will get k1 by k2, I will get k3. So highest power of 21 will be 24. Reason behind giving this question is 21, it is a composite number. Composite number can be written as a power of prime basis. 3 into 7. Because the power it is 1, take the highest power and do it. Don't do it with 3. Even if you do it with 3, the powers of 3 will be more than the powers of 7. Powers of 3 will be more than the powers of 7. Beautiful question, sir, it is. Another question. Listen carefully, sir. Find the highest power of 12 that divides 5 power 36 minus 1. The question can be written as like this. Reminder, when 5 power 36 minus 1, when you divide by which highest power of 12? Which highest power of 12? The remainder will come out to be 0. Find the highest power of 12 that divides 5 power 36 minus 1. Listen carefully to this question, sir. Then I will tell you the optimal method. First, traditional method. Single step answer it is. Answer for this question is 2. Let us see why the answer it is 2. Traditional method. Traditional method. 5 power 36 minus 1. 5 power 36 can be written as 5 square power 18 minus 1. Why am I writing it as 5 square? What is the multiple of 12 that is closer to 5 power? 12 2s are 24. It is closer to 5 square. 25 can be written as 24 plus 1 power 18 minus 1. 24 plus 1 power 18 minus 1. Now see here. There is a binomial expansion which goes like this. X plus y power n. It can be written as nc0 x power n. nc1 x power n minus 1 y power 1. nc2 x power n minus 2 y square. And so on up to ncn y power n. This is the binomial expansion for x plus y power n. X plus y power 1. Very, very easy to remember. Out of n, do not give any powers of 0 to y. So y power 0. Give 1 power of y. Give 2 power of y. give n power of y. So ncn y power n. Sum should be equivalent to n minus 1 plus 1, n minus 2 plus 2. So it is n plus 0. Give 1 out of n, select 1 for y power 1. Out of n, select 2 for powers of y square. Out of n, select n to the powers of y power n. If I expand it by using this, 18C0, 24 power 18, 18C1, 24 power 17, 18C2, 24 power 16, and so on up to 18C16, 18C16. I hope the idea it is clear, right? NC0, x power n. X is 24. 24 power 17. 24 power 16. So totally it will be 24 square. Next it will be 18C17, 24. 18C18, 24 power 0 minus 1. Is this expansion clear? X plus y power n. X is 24, y is 1. N 18C0, 24 power 18. NC1, 24 power 17 into 1. So these x power n minus 1. 18 minus 1, 17. 18 minus 2, 16. 18 minus 16, 2. 18 minus 17, 1. Now if you observe closely, over sir, answer. These nothing but 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 18C17. NC R, it is also equivalent to NC n minus R. So 18C17 is equivalent to 18C1. Out of n selecting any one, it is 18 into 24. 18C16, it is equivalent to 18C2. 24 square. And so on. 18C0, 24 power 18. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. 24 can be written as 12 into 2. Yes or no? 18 twos are 36. 18 twos are 36. 18 twos are 36. So it is 12 into 36. 36 is 12 into 3. 36 is 12 into 3. 18 into 24 has how many powers of 12? 2 powers of 12. Yes or no? 2 powers of 12. 24 is 12 into 2 square. It also contains 2 powers of 12. 24 power 3. It also contains minimum 2 powers of 12. 12 into 2 power 18. It also contains minimum 2 powers of 12. So what will be the answer? Highest power from here to here. From here to here. What is the power of 12 which will divide every term? Which will divide every term? Which will divide every term? 24, it is 12 into 2. 18 into 2, 36. 36 is 12 into 3. These divisible by 12 square. 24 square contains 12 square. 24 cube contains 12 square. 24 power 18. 12 into 2 power 18. 12 power 18 can be written as 12 square into something. Now if you see here, everything is divisible by 12 square. 18C2. I will get NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2. 18 into 17 by 2. 17 prime number I will get. All these combinations will be 17 multiple, some other multiple. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. All these you don't need to do it, sir. Single step answer. All these you don't need to do. In 2 to 5 seconds, you will get the answer. In 2 to 5 seconds, you will get the answer. Answer is, if the question is 5 power 36 minus 1, which multiple of 12 is closer to 5? 5 square. Answer is just nothing but power of 12 in 18 into 24. 18 into 24. 24 is 12 into 2. Here 1 power of 12, here 1 power of 12. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Again, I am saying, if I want the answer for this kind of questions, where the question is not in factorial format, take the power of 5, which is closer to the multiples of 12, 24. 24 into 18. 24 is 12 into 2. 18 2s are 36. 36 is 12 into 3. So I got powers of 12 as 2. I hope the idea is clear. Just to explain why we are taking only 18 into 24. 18 into 24 contains 12 square. 24 square contains 12 square. 24 cube contains 12 square. 24 power 4 contains 12 square. All contains 12 square. Every term is divisible by 12 square. If I add it, there will be probably there will be 17 multiples. 18 into 17 by 2. 18 C3 is 18 into 17 into 16 by 6. Like that, 17 multiple will not come here. So there will be no common term. I hope the idea it is clear. NCR is equivalent to NCN minus R. NCR is equivalent to NCN minus R. Next one. Very, very easy. Tell me the answer. Once you understand, it is very easy. Highest power of 12 that divides 11 power 972 minus 1. What is the multiple of 12 closer to 11? It is 11 itself is closer to 12. 12 minus 1 power 972 minus 1. Answer is 12 into 972. 12 into 972 is 81 into 12. So 12 square into 81. Highest power of 12 in this expression, answer will be 2. Highest power of 12 in this expression, answer will be 2. 11 power 972 minus 1. 11 is 12 minus 1 power 972. If I expand it, that's from where you got it, it is 972 C0. 12 power 972. Minus 972 C1, 12 power 971. Like that, I kept on writing plus 1 minus 1 cancel. This value will be 12 into 981. All the value will have 12 square. 12 power 972 is divisible by 12 square. 12 power 971 is divisible by 12 square. Idea clear? Just by looking at a question. Convert these base into this multiple. Very, very easy. Very different variety of questions that are coming from highest powers. Idea clear? Next one. Find the number of factors for 12 factorial. Any factorial can be written as the power of prime numbers from 1 to 12. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. We have to find out the powers of 2, powers of 3, powers of 5, powers of 7 and power of 11. It is 1. 12, it will be 1. 5 square. 3, it will be 3 4s are 3 1s are. It is 5. It will be 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 1s are. It will be 10. What is the highest power of? What are the highest powers of 2? 2 power 10. 2 power 10. 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 1s are. 2 power 10 into 3 power 5 into 5 square into 7 power 1 into 11 power 1. Any factorial can be written as the power of prime bases. I want the factors. How many combinations? 0 to 10, 11, 0 to 5, 0 to 2, 0 to 1 and 0 to 2. 66 into 4 3s are 12. Answer will be 792. Answer will be, there are 792. Total 792 factors exist for this number. 792 factors exist for this number. I hope the idea it is clear. Another beautiful question, sir. Read the question first. Determine the largest 2-digit prime number. I want the largest 2-digit prime number that perfectly divides 200 C 100, 200 C 100, NCR. Now see here. Now see. NCR can be written as n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. NCR equivalent to n factorial by n minus r factorial, r factorial. So 200 C 100. This can be written as 200 factorial by 200 minus 100. 100 factorial into 100 factorial. 200 factorial divided by 100 factorial, 100 factorial. Suppose 3 divides 12. If I say 3 divides 12, that means 12, 3 is the factor of 12. 12 can be written as 3 into something. That something value, it will be 4. Am I right? 12, 3 divides 12. If 3 is dividing 12, that means 3 is a factor of 12. So 12 will be 3 into something. There is a largest 2-digit prime number. These divides. That means I should get the answer largest 2-digit prime number into some number. Largest 2-digit prime number into k. This is 200 C 100. 200 C 100 is largest 2-digit prime number into k. We will go very step by step. I want a largest 2-digit prime number. What is the largest 2-digit prime number? 99 is composite. 9 is an even number. 97. If I take 97, 97 goes how many times? 2 times. 97 2s are 194. In 100, 97 goes how many times? 1 time. In another 100 factorial, 97 goes how many times? 1 time. So this can be written as 97 square divided by 97 power 1, 97 power 1. 97 square and 97 power 1, 97 power 1. They will be cancelled. But I should get the number here. Why? Because this is dividing this number. If this is dividing this number, this will be a factor of the number. So I cannot take 97. Let me go back. 97, 95 is composite, 93 is composite, 91, it is 7 into 13, 18, 9. If I take 18, 9, 89 2s are 178. Power 2 I will get here. Here power 1, here power 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 89 will get cancelled. I don't want 89. Coming back. 87 is 29 into 3. 81, it is a composite number. 79. 79 2s are 154. 79 1s are 1s are. Again 79 is getting cancelled. Coming back 73. 73 2s are 73 1s are 1s are. Again 73 is getting cancelled. 71 2s are 147. Again 1s are 1s are. 71 is getting cancelled. 67. 67 2s are 134. 67 1s are 67 1s are no. So answer for this question is 61. Why? Because in 200 factorial 61 there are 3 are there. In 100 61 1 it is present. Again 161 1 it is present. So this can be written as 61 power 3 into k1 divided by 61 power k1 into k2 into 61 power 1 into k3. 61 cube divided by 61 square. What is remaining? 61. So answer will have 61. Answer will have 61. I hope it is clear. But what I did enumeration in this kind of questions. If the question is of the form 2n Cn, largest prime number that divides 2n Cn, it is x is closer to, x is a prime number closer to 2n by 3. X is a prime number closer to 2n by 3. Do not need to do starting from 97, then 89. It is a very time consuming process. 200, 2n Cn. 2 into 100 C 100. X is 200. 2n Cn. 200 by 3. 200 by 3 is 66 point something. What is the largest prime number? Just less than 66, 61. Directly you will get the answer. Why we are doing 2n by 3? Think logically, sir. 200 by 3, it is 66. 66. Take a prime number greater than 66. Let me take 67. 67, 200. How many times it goes? 67 threes are 201. So 2 times it will go. 1 time, 1 time. 67 square by 67 square. So it will get cancelled out. But I want the number to be present. So prime number should be just less than 2n by 3. Prime number should be just less than 2n by 3. Very, very good question, sir. Very, very good question for you to understand how to trace that largest 2-digit number, which is a factor for 200 C 100. Any prime number greater than 2n by 3, it is getting divided automatically. I hope it is clear. Next one. Determine the largest 3-digit prime number which divides 2000 C 1000. 2000 C 1000. If a given question is of the form 2n Cn, x should be a prime number. X should be a prime number just less than 2n by 3. X should be a prime number just less than 2n by 3. X is less than 2000 by 3, which is 366, 198, 20, 66 point something. So the largest 3-digit prime number, the largest 3-digit prime number less than 366 is 661. Sorry, 666 point something. I said 360 point something. The largest prime number just less than 666 is 661. 666. 665 it is divisible by 5. 664 divisible, even 63 divisible, 662 divisible, 661. 661, if you take the square root of 661, 25 square is 625. So write down all the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. 661 is not divisible by any of this. So 661 is the largest 3-digit prime number. So 2000, how many times it will go? 3 times it will go. In 1000, how many times it will go? 1 time. So this is nothing but 2000 C 1000 is 2000 factorial by 1000 factorial and 1000 factorial. So it is 661 power 3 into K1, 661 power 1 into K2, 661 power 1 into K3. So 661 power 3 divided by 661 square. Another 661 will be left. Another 661 will be left. I hope the idea it is clear. How to find out the largest 3-digit prime number that divides 2000 C 1000. Session number 2, it is an advanced level questions. Ensure that you pay utmost attention to these questions. Very, very important. I hope the logic it is clear. Idea clear? Next one. Oh, these are all word-based problems from highest powers. Take 1 minute and read the question. Question is, by which least natural number? By which least natural number? I want the smallest natural number. Okay. 200 factorial. 200 factorial should be multiplied by a smallest natural number, so that this number is perfectly divisible by 11 power 25. Perfectly divisible by 11 power 25. Remainder will be 0. By which least natural number 200 factorial be multiplied? 200 factorial multiplied by the smallest natural number. When divided by 11 power 25, remainder is 0. 200 factorial. If I divide by 11, 11 ones are 11, 90. 11 eights are 88. Again, 11 ones are 11. That means 200 factorial as a power of 11. It is 11 power 19 into K1 into K1 into K divided by 11 power 25. Remainder should be 0. Remainder should be 0. What is K1? K1, it is the power of prime bases. K1, it is the power of prime bases other than 11. Power of prime bases other than 11. So it is 11 power 19. It is other than 11. These numerators should be divisible by 11 power 25. Numerator should be divisible by 11 power 25. Already 11 power 19 it is present. So K should have minimum 11 power 6. Anything greater than or equivalent to 11 power 6. That means it can be 11 power 6, 11 power 7, 11 power 8 and so on. 11 power 19 into 11 power 6. 11 power 25 divided by 11 power 25 is 0. 11 power 7. 11 power 7 is 11 power 26. It is divided by 11 power 25. What is the question? K by which least natural number should be multiplied? What will be the K minimum value? K minimum value will be 11 power 6. K minimum value will be 11 power 6. In simple language, find the highest power of 11 in 200 factorial. Highest power of 11 in 200 factorial is 11 power 19. I want 11 power 25. These 11 power 19. I want 11 power 25. Extra how much power of 11 should be there? 6 power of 11 should be there. Very, very easy question. Very easy question. Next one. By which least natural number, smallest natural number, should 10 factorial be divided? 10 factorial should be divided by which natural number such that the resultant, it is a perfect square, such that the resultant, it is a perfect square. 10 factorial divided by which least natural number such that the result should be a perfect square. Now listen carefully, sir. 10 factorial should be divided by a smallest natural number such that the resultant is a perfect square. So first we will write down the 1 to 10. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5 and 7. Highest power of 7 in 10 factorial, 1. Highest power of 5 in 10 factorial, 2. Highest power of 3 in 10 factorial, 4. Highest power of 2 in 10 factorial, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 5 plus 2 plus 1, it is 8. These 10 factorial as a power of all the prime numbers from 2 to 7. 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 5 square. 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 1 divided by x. X should be a smallest value. X should be a smallest value. The answer will be a perfect square. X should be a smallest value. Now 7 is there. If I keep 7 in the denominator, 7 will go away. 7 will go away. 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 value such that the resultant is a cube. Such that resultant it is a perfect cube. All the questions are based upon this logic only, sir. By which least natural number 50 factorial should be divided by x such that such that result is not 8. Such resultant it is multiple of 8. Such that resultant it is not a multiple of 8. Get a multiple of 8. It should be 2 cube into something. So, if it is a 2 cube into something, it will be a multiple of 8. We should not get. What we'll do is back to 20, to 12, to 6, to 3, and to 1. So these 37, 43, 47. 2 power 40, smallest, right? Smallest I require. 2 power 2 and so on. Resultant is not a multiple of and 2 power 45. 2 power 46. 46. 2 power 47. Now see here. If x is 2, is 2. 2 power 2. 2 power 45. 2 power 45 as 2 cube into something. It is 2 square. 2 power 47 by 2 square. 2 power 45. 2 power 44 is 2. Now see here. If it is 2 power 47 into k divided by 2 power 47. 2 power 40, 43, 44. If I take till 47 by 4, 2 these numbers, 2 till 2 power 44. All these numbers will make the result a multiple of 8. Question is, it should not be a multiple of 8. So x will be, minimum value will be 2 power 45. If I take 2 power 45, 2 power 14 into k divided by 2 power 45, it is 2 square into k. K is a power of prime bases other than 2. So 4 into something, it will be 4. But question is, it is not a multiple of 8. So 4 into any other 2 will not come. It is all 3 power, 5 power, 7 power. So answer is, minimum value is 2 power 45. I hope the idea it is clear. All these powers of 2, if I keep it in x, that will make the resultant a multiple of 8. Next question. By which least natural number, smallest natural, should 15 factorial be divided? 15 factorial should be divided by which number? It is not the remainder, so I will erase it. 15 factorial should be divided by which number such that resultant it is cube as well as an odd number. It should be a cube as well as an odd number. Odd number will not have any powers of 2. Odd number will not have any power. It will not have any powers of 2. So powers of 2 definitely we have to erase. What are the from 1 to 5 power, 3 power, 5 power, 7 power, 11 power and 13 power. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Power 13 it will be 1, 1, 2, it will be 3. So it is for 3. 3 5s are, 3 1s are. It will be for 2. 2 7s are, 3s are, 2 1s are. It is 11. The factorial. 15 factorial should be divided by such a number such that it is cube as an odd number. Cube as well as an odd number. Because it is an odd number, it should by 2 power 11. It will get cancelled. Otherwise, it will become an even. 3 power 6 cube, power of 3. Should be a power of 3. 7 square should be divided by 2, 7 square. Otherwise, it affect cube. 11, it should be divided by 11. 13, it should be divided by. So answer is, this entire number should be divided by 2 power 11 into 7 square into 11 into 13. Resultant, it becomes a perfect cube as well as an odd number. Perfect cube means should be a multiple of 3. 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 is a multiple of square. It should become perfect cube. Cube is 7 power 0. Divide by 7 square. Divide 11, divide 13. Idea clear? Next one. By what least natural number? 4 cube, 4 factorial, 4 factorial 4. It should be multiplied so such that the resultant, it is a multiple of. So 24 into k is 600 into x. 600 it is 100 into 6 square into 5 square into 2 into 3. It will be 2 power 3. Let me write down here. This will be 2 cube into 5 square into 3. 5 square into 3. 324. It is 24 into 20x. So the k minimum value should be 25. K minimum value, it is 25. K minimum value, it is 25. By what natural number? 100 factorial should be multiplied. 100 multiplied such that the resultant is 5 power 40. So it will be 5 power 40 into x. Factorial, how many powers of 5 are there? These are 5 fours are. It is 5 power 24 into k1 into k equivalent to 5 power 40 into x. So what should be? It should be multiplied by how much number? 5 power 16. Because k1 is a prime number, prime basis other than 5. So k will be 5 power 16. For 24, 5 power 16 become 5 power 40. These are all easy questions.